Tanisha. Tell me what you're doing.
So I've got a little bit of all my elements for the jhalmuri.
Okay.
And I have made. I hope this tastes good.
It's a dessert jhalmuri.
No, I just basically used the marshmallow to combine it to make it a granola bar type of crispy
Bite.
nice crispies, yeah.
Okay.
On top of which then all the masala, the proper jhalmuri will sit on it
Okay.
with the coriander hunkered
Piping.
piping. I have some pineapple because
Okay.
I made a chili gel which I want to place on top of the pineapple.
My question to you is it too sweet and will the spicy and onions actually go with the sweet? Have you tried all elements together? Have you tasted? I would suggest you do because it's nice. Can I taste a little bit?
Wow.
Okay.
Is it there?
Yeah. I see where you're coming from. Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
Good. Good. Very interesting.
So I thought that.
Just make sure that you taste all your elements separately and then together before you bring it onto the plate and make it look smashing like you always do, Tanisha. Yeah? I wish you good luck.
Thank you.
See you soon.
So for a moment there, I was quite relieved thinking that, okay, maybe I am being too self-critical. Maybe it will be okay after all.
Hello, chef.
क्या पक रहा है?
ये काव्यार के लिए बना रही हूँ. Tamarind काव्यार.
You're doing a tamarind kavyar?
हाँ, I have already made a jelly, so which I will put it as a base, like because it's not setting properly. So I'll just use like a jelly crumble type of thing down there, and then I am making a dabeli. But then instead of making a normal bun, I have made khichu as a base, and then putting dabeli on top, and then I have made the green chutney, which is peanut ka chutney, and garlic chutney.
So when you're making the caviar with agar, right?
Yeah.
What you need to be careful about is whenever you're using an acidic medium, whenever you're using vinegar, tamarind, anything that is sour, you need to add a little more than normal agar.
Okay.
All right?
Okay,
Agar takes a little more time and concentration to set in acidic mediums.
Sure. Okay.
Okay,
I'll
so
do
if
that.
normally you're adding 5 grams to a liter, in this case you'll add probably 8 to a liter.
Sure.
All right, and chill your oil well.
Yeah.
Sounds exciting. The only thing that I want to say is the texture of the dabeli, the crunchy from the outside, the soft from the inside.
Yeah.
That's all that I'll be looking for.
Sure. Thank you.
I was using this for the first time and he's been in this thing for so long, so there's no point doubting him or something like that. So I did as he said and I kind of managed the portion size of agar-agar which I was using on my tamarind jelly and it turned out to be good.
My gulab jamun, I fried it. I was actually planning to make a waffle out of the gulab jamun mix, but my dough wasn't so watery or fine to do it so I changed it by putting desiccated coconut on it and chocolate. And inside, in the center, I had almonds in the gulab jamun. So that was the whole idea.
Hi Megha.
Hello, chef. How are you?
How are you? You look like you've got a lot going on.
I do actually.
What are you cooking?
I'm making chola bhatura, hummus, and pita.
Okay.
Okay, and I'm making pinwheel of a samosa pinwheel, and I'm making gulab jamun.
What?
Yeah.
Oh my God, you've got 3 big dishes.
Yes.
All in one.
Yeah.
And these are your gulab jamuns?
Yeah, well, this is the first lot.
Oh my God, please open them and check them if they're cooked inside.
Definitely.
Yeah, because they might be golden on the outside,
and then
but they might be raw from the inside.
Yeah.
And make sure you let them start seeping in sugar syrup
Quickly, yeah.
ASAP. Like that's what you want
I've got
to get
that ready.
going. So this might be a little less. Put some more water, dilute it, heat it up.
properly.
Because when it's hot, it'll soak
So
up.
quicker.
And make sure in your gulab jamuns, if you can do some small pricks, you put it in it so that it'll soak up. Otherwise, it takes almost 12 hours.
To, yeah,
So, you know,
up.
soak up the liquid.
That's true.
Also, another quick tip and trick, if you feel that your gulab jamun's not soaked up, cut it into half, soak it up, and serve it half or sliced or whatever it might be. You know, just
Perfect.
make sure you don't give us a dry gulab jamun.
I won't.
And you've got a lot to do, and you've got to work faster, and you've got to make sure all your elements come together beautifully.
Definitely. Chef.
Best of luck.
Thank you very much. I took Chef Anahita's advice and I heated the syrup that I was going to soak my gulab jamun in. And I did just that and it worked wonders. My gulab jamun soaked really well. So I didn't need to halve them and then syrup it.
Chuhi,
Hello, G.
what's going on?
So I've made a Mangalorean style ghee roast. I'm gonna pick the chicken out, pull it. I'm making a neer dosa waffle. So it's water waffle with. So this is that curry. I'm gonna make a waffle. I'm trying to make pineapple caviars to freshen it up. Pineapple salad sauce. So the pineapple is in the caviar form. Hopefully I get it right. Hopefully.
Okay, now the texture of a neer dosa, where neer is water.
Right.
It's a water dosa, it's runny and watery and very, very light. Now the texture of a waffle is nice and crisp from outside and soft from the inside. So while an uttapam batter can make for a great waffle, a neer dosa will make for a very flimsy waffle and it's going to be difficult for you to pull it out.
All right.
Okay, different ways to deal with it. You know, a lot of times what people do is they make something and after that they put it in the waffle iron for crispening it. I don't know. Or maybe you should relook at the batter. But neer dosa, waffle, not a good idea.
All right. At that moment, I had no plan as to how could I change my dish. I thought about it for about a minute or two as to what can I do with my dish. My only little alternative there was to still go with the neer dosa waffles, but maybe add some ghee on it to sort of get a little structure on it, maybe some crispiness there so that it gets a little like a waffle. So I did that and I was just crossing my fingers all through that this possibly works for me.
All right, this is your first milestone, task 1 of the grand finale, day 1, and here we go. 45 minutes gone, 45 left. Girls, let's pick up our speed. Let's go for it.
"45 minutes left for the task, and I realize I'm still struggling on my first element, second element, and I'm getting flustered.
So when there was 45 minutes left, again, I still had a lot to do and I was getting into panic mode because I wasn't sure if I was going to finish on time with all my elements.
So I had 45 minutes to go. I was starting to get a little tensed because my masala hadn't roasted enough. I was still trying to think what could complement my dish, that one extra element that I really wanted to put there probably. So I was struggling with the thought of what could that third component on my dish be.